So let me ask you one question about your business. How many leads or how many emails did you send yesterday for your business to your ICP? The reality is that most of the people are going to say either the single digit or they does not have any idea or something. And the reflection of the leads, that how many leads they are getting on in their business, is directly related with how many reach outs they are doing. And that is the system we are going to talk about. Most of the businesses are actually just not bad at business, just they do not know that how to actually generate leads for your business, because they are not reaching out. And that's the only problem that this system, this email system, is going to solve it out. So basically we are working with some of the companies and we are actually generating some of the great results out there. So I just wanted to showcase like this cold email system which we have generated, we are running it for Metaverse 911. This is one of our client, and this system is actually generating 10% of the reply rate, which is a lot. I'm not like saying like this is the standard or anything, but yeah, this is one of the response or the campaign which is actually performing so much amazing. And the thing is that just implementing AI or creating a system out of for your business is not just going to give you this kind of result. There are very nuances that you need to keep in mind, and just be with me till the end, and I'm going to showcase you how this system is like implemented and all using AI. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. I am Jaspreet. I'm back on this channel and I'm going to create these kind of similar amazing videos. Just be with me, just subscribe to this channel, and yeah, let's get started. So yeah, I've been working in this AI space from the last 1.5 years, and throughout the time I have worked upon different type of systems and all, and I have worked upon with various different type of businesses, and we figured it out like a lot of businesses are actually asking for the result. They are looking out for like some kind of help in their business growth, and a business growth directly is tied up with the number of leads they are actually getting. And this system, which is the cold emailing system, is one of the very simplest way to actually implement it into a business, because it is easier to implement and actually the ROI is very much direct, we can just see. Because in comparison to ads, in comparison to content creation and all, this is almost no investment at all, because in content you need to create, you need to give your time and all, and a lot of the other headaches are there. The second is that and it actually requires a time to build it up your audience and all. The second is that like your ad, it actually requires you to like iterate, you need to spend money and all. But on the other side, contrast of that, this email system is like you can just tie it up, you can just implement it in your business. Okay, so let me just showcase you the screen. Okay, I just wanted to show you can just see my screen. Okay, this is the campaign, like I can just showcase you. This is the 10% reply rate, and these are the opportunities which actually instantly just showed us like the 10 replies positive. I just wanted to click here, and I actually wanted to showcase you as well. I just wanted to like okay, so you can see these are the opportunities. And okay, we are not sending a lot many emails here. Every single day you can see the activities and all, how many emails we have sent and all, and it's not that much of a time that we have, and it is consistently performing. Okay, every single day. I just wanted to showcase you, like you can see every single from the starting itself, it's actually generating some of the results. So let me talk about like why. And not only this, like you can see like we have only sent 200 emails and we have got 2 replies here, positive one I'm talking about. Okay, in this email we have like got 1 positive reply from the 141. So it is kind of consistent, and we are actually running other campaigns as well. So these are kind of new, although the leads are so much like less, so that is why it is just showcasing a completion number, but we are putting it out and all. So yeah, the idea is that the basic thing is that there is a certain nuances that you need to keep in mind before implementing any kind of AI into your business. So we worked upon this with this business, and we understood like the ICP, where their clients are and all, and how we find it out. Like we have got the specific understanding of ICP from them itself, and that's valuable, because if you do not understand the ICP, that from where from where you are getting clients and all, who are your actually target audience, then you cannot like reach out to them. The system is only valuable if you target or if you scrape the right leads, okay, and then only the other thing is only just the the stuff which is just automated sending, okay. But before that, one more specific thing is also there, apart from the technical aspect, which is the copy, okay, and very much specific. So for that we have a specific pipeline to actually process it through, and then only we can just work upon it. So the number one step is that understanding the ICP, breaking it down, okay. And by the way, if you want a playbook, I have just consolidated all the complete entire this video, whatever I am talking about, in a playbook. If you want to grab it out, just click to the link in the below, and you are going to get that copy of that playbook from my landing page, okay, my website, okay. So you need to fill in a small form. So that's it. The number one thing is that you need to understand your ICP. You need to break it down and create a ICP criteria, and that criteria you need to put it into AI, and it is going to scrape the leads from maybe tools like Apollo, maybe there are tools like Lusha, there are tools like clay.com as well. There are other LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and a bunch of other tools are there. Even Instantly itself provides leads for your business and all. But you need to understand your ICP, who are your exact target audience, okay. You need to scrape them, and then the second step is that you cannot just send that directly. You need to then validate it, okay. And then there comes a validator, email validator. You can put ZeroBounce, or there are other tools like an email finder as well. It actually scrapes as well. It actually does the verification as well. And there are a bunch of other tools as well. There is a very cheaper one as well, mailer test, mailtest.ninja, something like that. On the screen you can just see it, okay. So this is the validation part. Now the another part is that enriching the leads. Now you have validated your emails. Now your emails are set. Now you need to get more data of these leads, and you can just implement AI into this part as well, and it is going to scrape the data from their LinkedIn, from their website, whatever the best way you can think of. You can just implement that according to your business, and this is business specific. It cannot be very generic, but yeah, the entire process somehow we can create a very structure around it. But very specific business needs to work with very specific actions on it, okay. A general workflow is not going to work for any kind of business, okay. So the next part is that now we have enriched the data. Now we need to create some personalized lines, personalized the repo and all, okay. So that email should be very personalized. It should not be very generic one. And there is another thing, which is your offer. Your offer also makes so much important here, okay. So now what you need to do is that you need to create different copies. One is the first email, the second is going to be your follow-up. At the initial you need to create only two sequence emails only, one and second for the follow-up. If you get replies, and then you can just scale it up, and you can just increase one more follow-up. It is going to improve your reply rate, because that is working perfect. Now, so that is what we are going to do in this campaign as well. It is actually increasing the reply rate much more if we are going to add up a follow-up here. I am definitely for sure for this, okay. Now what's going to happen is that next is here you need to understand the copy part, okay. Here this is interesting. So there are 7 psychological things that you need to understand. I was reading this book. This is Influence by Cialdini, okay, and this is an amazing book. Everyone should read it out, okay. So there are 7 principles I am just going to talk out, and if you want a detailed one, I am going to create a video on it, okay. The first one is the give first. You need to talk about something you can just give out, okay, whatever everyone just want. If you are talking about them, what you are going to give them in the email, it is going to be very much the first good thing that you can implement in your copy, okay. The second is that micro commitments, okay. Micro commitments you need to put it out, how you are going to proceed throughout in the process. The third one is the social proof. You need to showcase your social proof, whatever the clients you have worked with and all, whatever. The authority, You need to showcase your authority, that you know about the subject and you are really coming from an authoritative place. Okay, then the next one is the repo. This is the initial part or some kind of personalization that you are going to put it in. Then is the scarcity, that until this time only you have the, I mean, kind of this offer valid or something like that. Okay, and the real scarcity is actually going to trigger much more better than the any random one. The next one is the shared identity. If you like talk about something like, let's say if you are sending to a person who is let's say a football player, and you can just talk about like, yeah, I also am a football player, something like that. Although this can go, I mean, this is not a very good example I have just given, but yeah, people respond to things that are very much shared identical, okay, to them. So these are the some psychological principle I have just talked about very fastly. Okay, but the thing is that these are very core of it that you can implement into your copy, and you can generate multiple copies. And the best thing that you need to do with AI here is that A/B testing. You need to generate multiple copies and you need to just test it out with the hypothesis that, yeah, this hypothesis, you need to create multiple hypotheses, and which hypothesis is going to work is your testing that you can implement with the high number of emails sending through your system, which is going to become so much crucial here. So now how you are going to create that kind of system which is going to generate, I mean, send very much emails in a day, let's say 900 or 1000 emails or 2000 emails every single day. How you can generate that kind of system? You cannot just do it just by a simple generating or doing it through single one email. No, you need to create some burner inboxes, and that you can do it by purchasing some burner domains. So burner domains is a concept like you need to separate your main domain from your burner domain. Burner domain is going to be like, let's say my company name is Vivid Automate. So I am going to put some suffix or prefix to my like this domain and create a burner domain like govividautomate.com or getvividautomate.com or vividautomateai.com, something like that. Okay, and these all are different domains with different reputation in inboxes. Okay, Google is going to separate it out. It is not going to harm my reputation of vividautomate.com. I am going to take these and generate some inboxes. Okay, and these inboxes, every single domain is going to create 3 different inboxes. Okay, and these 3, let's say I want to generate 9 inboxes. I have to take 3 burner domains. 3 burner domains are going to give me 9 inboxes, and those 9 inboxes are now going help me to like those 9 inboxes now going to help me to send every single day 270 emails. I came arrived to that 9 into 30 emails every single day. So we are going to send 30 emails from each and every burner email inbox. Okay, and we need to warm it up for the 15 days. So this is the entire pipeline which we need to set it up. Okay, so now let's go to forward. Let's say you are starting with 100 emails a day and you are reaching out to 1000 emails a day. Let's get to the maths. 1000 emails a day, if at 5% reply rate as well, okay, if you are going to generate 50 replies, okay, 50 replies, and from 50 replies, if you let's say got 20 positive ones, and from those 20 positive ones, let's say you booked only 2 meetings, or this is a very less highly a very bad scenario, okay, I am talking about, okay, only just you got 2 meetings. From that 50% reply, 50% close rate, you are going to generate 1 client from that 1000 emails you sent. And that is, I have assumed some specific numbers which might not be true for your business. It can be very better as well, it can be worse as well, but yeah, we can optimize it because we are measuring it. Okay, and this is the power of AI that you can implement if you do it very precisely. And so that I just wanted to conclude it like this is a very powerful system that you can implement in your business to generate leads. And if you are waiting it out, every other business is like implementing these kind of systems. If you want consultation, if you want audit in your business for your AI implementation, you can just reach out to us, and yeah, we are going to have a discussion and see like where we can work together and all. But the thing is that you need to understand that here right now investment in AI into your business is one of the greatest ROI, because this is the rising graph in AI. Every single company right now is crazy to implement AI. You can see the funding rounds and all whatever is happening right now. So the thing is that don't get left behind. I just really want that your business to improve and all. In either way, if you just wanted to get these kind of videos every single day, just follow us, just subscribe us, and I am going to come again and again to your screen and just going to talk about these kind of things much more regularly. Okay, that's all from my side. This is Jaspreet signing off, and let's get to a new video and let's meet there. Okay, thank you so much.